Pula. Yeah. So nose is a bit stuffy, and you see I'm wearing a beanie. It's the temperature is dropping here in Auckland, very cold, and it's getting into the night now. But I've been sitting here enjoying this beautiful new song by Vagini Delayatova. As you can see there, uh, it's beautifully put together, deep meaning. The lyrics, it's all full of figurative language, similes, metaphors, stuff like that. And I was having a look at the comment section and see those of you who enjoy our featured music and featured song, but you don't understand what is being sung about. So this is for you. This is for you. I made an attempt at capturing the essence, translating this song from into English, so at least you might get to enjoy the music and also get to enjoy or understand what you are, or understand what you're enjoying. Yeah. So the group is from an island in the Lau group. Avea is the island, and it's off Vanuatu, if you know Vanuatu. It's a beautiful island. I've been there. Malo to, malo mga trakai, malo abul share. Toto ka rongo ka share. Mamora gagat share. Sa toto ka tira rumutu ya diado. Boleh tatau sarutu I gila-gila. Marami totoka. Na ibisi ko sarutu na Naruto do sen. Alis ko tu so awekan so rambulatu Naruto awekai sudaya. Iya. Levasi lim satu batkir tu ya dapati. To kantil. Malo mengalim. So this lyrics translation is for those of you who love our featured music but do not understand the meaning. So let's see if we can do this now, and we'll try to put a stop to the music for now, and you can bring up the lyrics here and the lyrics translation. So the song is about a couple married, and the song, I think, is being sung from the point of view of the lady, the woman, and the title is Vigobiao. So as I said, the language is full of figurative, the music or the lyrics is full of figurative language, figure of speech. So let's see if let's see what I can decipher, what I can the meaning that I can glean, take from here, so that you can understand what is being sung about. So here the first words of the song are Karikarian Nuku by Honolulu. I went astray for a while, and I knew the Numa au Karusa Kaululumu. Today when I think about it, how deeply it pains me. Niwa the kauni kamunaga me iko nogu pakamau. That's deep. That's deep, That's very poetic. Once I was your most precious one, my beloved. Augai nadakuya na nomu dau lomaniau, but I turned my back on your love. Bulani makawati sa malamumai, we were happily married. See if I can scroll down here. Kami-kamita kui me makanawai. So sweet it was and smooth flowing, just like a river. Yeah. The wasa-wasa rito tomo e maramu. Oh, this love, how soothing, just like a becalmed ocean. So there you go. Remember, Fiji is a group of islands surrounded by the vast Pacific Ocean. So lots of reference to the sea and the ocean in our love songs or in our songs when I'm singing. So Vangini Loloma, Koravi Dei Ea Sangu. Then like a gentle, refreshing breeze were you by my side. The next verse there, Autagida Bile Sumai, how I cry and ache, Nagauna Tali Koya, for those precious times. Daulomani Kaiposotiao. Please, my love, please forgive me. Aloloma Thingobiao, forgive me and accept me like before, or take me back. Kovuruvura and Dobi say, this world is full of deception. Koivovo, e wukitu, be kaulau, another figurative language sentence. I threw you aside like refuse or like rubbish, but you are to be like new treasure. I was unsteady, easily led astray. My talebadika vagavakau ruimosi. It was like going treasure hunting, but woefully returning empty-handed. Now I beg you to accept me back. That's another one. Another curly one. However, deep inside, I know that you feel no more for me. The flower of love has withered. Willy, meu, bunibau. I have become like drooping rose petals. My tears of silent anguish rips me up inside. What else can I do? To wipe this slate clean or bury my guilt. Because I know that trust has been broken. So trust is an important part of a union. Who else can I blame for this wrong done? In Noguwakamau, where was it? Inoguwakamau, Keremo Rogodhiau. Rogodhiau, not Rogodhikau. Please, my love, listen to this plea of mine. Kebololoma was Sea Membaletiau. Tell me if there is still some love left in your heart for me. Go together, let's build up and fortify this family once again. I make this promise to you that I will change. This pain, my love, oh, it's like being flayed alive. So flayed alive, I've taught you before, where they literally pull the skin off your back. So that's how painful this was. Yes, the pain of the heart. So there you go. That's Vinko Miao from Vangini Delayatoba, and hope you will enjoy the song now and enjoy it more, because now you can sort of get the sense of what the song is about. So please like and subscribe, and till the next song or till the next time, Sotatale de Bodemata.